Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly show you this hair. I have been loving it. My son loves it. As I told y'all before, he loves the blonde hair. When he saw me with these crochet braids, he was like, Mom, I love your hair. I love your hair. He keeps telling me how much he loves it. I did not film a tutorial of me installing these braids, but I did want to show you the braid pattern. The braid pattern is from a wig that I had been recently wearing. After wearing that wig for a couple of weeks, I decided to install these crochet braids on those same cornrows. Now this pattern, I love it because the hair kind of does like a similar to like the flip over method. I did have to install the twist going that way. So to do that, instead of putting the crochet hook downward like I normally do, I put it upward. It left the knot going away from my face, and so it kind of helps this side to just do what it's doing right here. I used every last braid and I didn't have to. I went back in and filled in spots. So if you have a smaller head and your hair is not as thick as mine, you will not need to use as much hair as you're giving. You'll definitely have leftover hair. You can find this hair on Amazon. If you have Amazon Prime, it'll get there even quicker. But the brand is BOHO, and they have a lot of different colors. I saw burgundy, I think I saw blue, maybe purple. Of course, they have the standard 1B. I have the 1B 27, and I really like it. I normally don't like the darker roots, but people have been telling me as I've been wearing darker hair that they really like it. So I've always had brown hair my entire life, so I have been enjoying trying darker roots, darker hair. I'm loving it. It's the little boho bohemian look, and I'm loving it. And y'all, I have already been wearing this hair for like a week and a half, and even though it's synthetic hair, it's not tangling. It still feels really soft, and I love the look. If you are interested in this hair, make sure to click on the link below. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope it helps some of you out. Bye.